In this video we will cover a conceptual overview of graph traversal for both depth-first search and breadth-first search. We will also implement these algorithms in JavaScript. A graph is a data structure which contains nodes or vertices and edges. A node or vertex is just a single unique value, and an edge defines the relationship between two or more of these nodes. Frequently, a problem will require you to traverse a graph. One option is using a depth-first search, where starting at a node you go to its first child, and then its first child, and so on until there are no more children, then backtrack to the last node and continue the process until there are no more nodes. Depth-first search can be performed in order, where left children are examined first, then the parent, then the right nodes. Pre-order, where the root node is examined first, then the left nodes, then the right nodes. Or post-order, where the right nodes are examined first, then the root, then the left. With breadth-first search, or level order, each node is examined at the level it occupies in the graph. This can be accomplished using a queue. Time complexity of performing a depth-first search or breadth-first search is order v plus e, where v is the number of vertices or nodes and e is the number of edges on the graph. With depth-first search, the algorithm will use recursion, so space is used on the call stack. It is also possible to perform depth-first search iteratively. With breadth-first search, we store the nodes we are processing at any one time in a queue, which could potentially hold n-1 vertices during its execution. We will construct a tree identical to that shown in the conceptual overview. The node class will have a constructor which takes a single value and will have an array of children. Each child can also be a node. Our addChild method will accept a value, create a new node, and add this to the children collection. With depth-first search, we will construct an array which will contain all values that have been visited by our algorithm. First, we will push a value of the visited node onto our array. Secondly, we will iterate through all children for this node, and call depth-first search recursively on each child node, passing our collection array. Finally, we will return the populated collection array and print out the contents. With breadth-first search, we will also construct an array for the values of the nodes we have visited. First, we will initialize our queue with a starting value, in this case the root of our graph. While we have values in the queue, we will take a node off the front. We will push the current value into our collection array and iterate through each child of our current node. For each child, we push that onto the queue and repeat the process until there are no elements left in our queue. Finally, we will return the populated collection array and print out the contents. We use a queue for this algorithm to ensure that we process all the nodes at the current level first, before moving on to the next level.